Oh wait, God. Oh my God! Wait, let me turn on full screen. Just turn on full screen. Boom. Okay, let's. Okay, today we're gonna play some death ball. Let's move down here. No, I have no idea how to play this game. Yes, I have a apocalypse bat, but I just got this for no reason. I was just rolling. And yes, I'm a level 20 Rufus. That's why. I kind of played a little camera. F to deflect the ball. Okay. Q to dash. And the numbers? Okay. Let's go. Pretty sure I can do this. Actually, I can't. Because I don't remember what happens. I'm a brand new computer user. So yeah, wait. Base plate. I love that base plate. I love the base plate and blade ball and this game too. Bro, somebody used type. What? What the ball? What the ball? Bro, what? I can also click. Why don't you? You gotta just click. Because I'm the fast clicker. Oh my God! Oh, I just destroyed people. Okay, I have no idea how to drive that fast. Let me just shoot out. This balloon! I am not a balloon. I'm just a fat square. Give me the ball. Boom! No, I miss. No. I miss. No, I miss. Give me the ball. Give me the ball, baller. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. I did not introduce. Okay, literally destroying everyone. I did not see that. I'm literally about to rage. By the way, like, yeah, cut that out. Cut that out. I'm me rage quitting. Okay, cut that out. Oh, yeah.
Nakalabas ng puta si iniiwan ko nga pala sa iyo ang kabila. Inibigyan din kita ng pahintulot. Naigapos siya.
Recording 3 minutes. Okay. We'll just keep that. Just keep that there. So I just know what time it is. How long I've been. And staying or yeah. Let's just like turn on shift lock. Because I'm on shift lock. Let's see. I don't know.
Okay.
That's where it goes. Really dying.
Wala ka nagawa sa iyong tungkol, di ba? Bakit ginamitan ko na ito ng aking kapangyarihan?
Just kidding, I'm not losing. Yo, chill. Oh my God, the time hacking is insane. I'm a dark word. Ari, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the balls. Yo, what? Yo, pause. Okay. Bro! Boom! What the?
Gusto daw
Oh,
niya
I have no idea what just happened.
Ang siyang sa kapangyarihan ng ikalawang renyente.
Sino ang batyaw ni Isusu?
Makikilala niyo rin siya sa tamang
Wait. Let me just get out of here. Yo!
Bumili lang muna tayo.
No.
Sama
I'm
sila.
about to die. If I get a kill, I'm literally gonna laugh. Not if I get a kill, I'm literally gonna laugh.
Hayaan niyo
Or
na
if I
rin sila
die.
sumama sa ating yaman. Susunod ka, Mara.
Did you just kill an admiral? Yes! I hate. I love One Piece. I love One Piece so much. Please don't. Hell no, I'm not. If you know, you know. Cause I just get Akira, if this video ends, I'm literally gonna do the laugh. I'm literally gonna do the laugh. Ow! I keep getting damaged! I have no idea where the ball is!
Mga kawan, tulungan niyo ako.
Bawal diwata. Kami pwede iwan ang aming pwesto.
I'm turning on sweat mode.
Ano nangyari dito?
I'm going real sweaty.
Sino ka?
I'm
Bakit
getting real sweaty with my bed. I'm getting real sweaty bedding. Next! Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Boom! Ah! Still doing the laugh. And this video is so bad.
Annalena, ano ginagawa ninyo rito? Wawan man
I wanna end this video so bad. Okay, I've ended.
Balita sa pagkain.
Just kidding.
Ikaw, bakit nandito ka? Kagaya ninyo, mahal na rin ay nagmamanman rin ako. Ngunit, kanina pa ako rito ay wala ako natutuklasan. At naglisanan na ang mga lambanas sa plano. Lamuna na dito si Hagrid.
Oh my god! You know what? I'm ending it. I'm literally hungry. I'm gonna end this video. So guys, if you want more, comment down below. Boy. What say boy? Yeah!